coordinate geometry exercise 7.1 the rest question কেটামান থাকি গৈছিলে rest question 6 7 8 9 10 so মই এটো দুটা ভিডিও ফিনিশ কৰি দিম পাৰো যদি এটা ভিডিওতে ফিনিশ কৰিম okay then after 7.32 কৰিম so এটা 6 question number 6 তোলে আহো question number 6 ত কি দিয়া আছে so চাৰিটা coordinate pointer coordinate দিয়া আছে if this one suppose ABC the four coordinates are ABC are the vertices of a parallelogram because a parallelogram or a চাৰিটা vertices বুলি কৈছে so taken in order or as a order হিচাপে find x and y we have to find the value of x and y so এটো কেনেদৰে কৰিম suppose ABCD is a parallelogram where the coordinate of A is 1, 2, B is 4, y, C is x, 6 and D is 3, 5. So, vertices kompalo. Now, eti ami ki find out korim. So, if we join AC and B and D, then what? Obviously, AC and BD is the diagonal of what? Parallelogram ABCD. And we know what is the properties of a parallelogram that the diagonal of the parallelogram intersect koribo as well as another intersect koribo they bisect each other. It means diagonal kita ki koribo bisect each other at a point O where AO equals to OC OD equals to OB. That means is a intersect korile a point to a ইহঁতক ইহে কৰিছে সমানে দুভাগ কৰিছে section গিটা the section are in equal section the diagonals the intersecting point divides the diagonal into equal parts so we have to find the coordinate of O according to AC in case of AC and in case of BD so আমি coordinate of O find out কৰিম কাৰ কাৰণে AC কাৰণে আৰু BD কাৰণে যদি আমি AC এটা লাইন ধৰো point of intersection কি হয় ইয়াতে O হয় হয়নি সো আমি O ৰ কোঅৰ্ডিনেট লম সিমিলাৰলি BD যদি এটা লাইন ধৰো point of intersection কি হয় O হয় সো আমি O ৰ কোঅৰ্ডিনেট ফাইন্ড আউট কৰিম সো ইয়াতে চাবা কি কৈছো মই যে ইয়াকে সমানে দুভাগ কৰে that means সমানে ভাগ কৰিলে কি হ'ব it must be a midpoint when a point divides a line in equal parts then the point must be a midpoint. So here O is a midpoint of AC as well as BD. So given A 1, 2, B 4, y, C x, 6 and D 3, 5 are the vertices of parallelogram ABCD of the vertices of parallelogram ABCD. So, and diagonal AC and BD bisect each other at point O. So, AC and BD bisect each other at point O. Therefore, O is the midpoint of AC and BD. Is it? O is the midpoint of AC and BD. Now, take কি কৰিম the diagonal now so midpoint hole আৰু midpoint লগে লগে কি এই O ৰ কি হয় AC ৰ হয় BD ৰ হয় that means the coordinate of the midpoint of AC equals to the coordinate of the midpoint of BD যেহেতু O টো দুইটাতে আছে so AC equals to BD হয় therefore the coordinate of midpoint of AC equals to the coordinate of midpoint of BD দুইটা ইকুৱেল হ'ব হয় না therefore Okay, now the coordinate of midpoint of AC equals to coordinates of midpoint of BD. দুটা ইকুৱেল হ'ব এণ্ড হোৱাট ইজ দ্য midpoint theorem? midpoint theorem মই কৈ দিছিলোঁ midpoint theorem কি আছিলে তোমালোকে মনত পেলাবা আছিলে যে এইটো এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ x1 plus x2 by 2 divided by y1 plus y2 by 2 এইটো আছিলে midpoint theorem মই লিখাই দিছিলোঁ এইটো চাই ল'বা এণ্ড সিমিলাৰলি ইয়াতো একেদৰে হ'ব হয়নে দুইটাতে সেম হ'ব ওকে সো এতিয়া আমি x1 y1 এর জায়গাত পুট কৰি দিম মই ইয়াত ডাইৰেক্ট x1 y1 ধৰিলো তোমাৰ লিখি দিম নো প্ৰবলেম ওকে সো ইয়াত এটা ভ্যালু যদি পুট কৰোঁ in case of AC তো A আৰু C যদি পইণ্ট লওঁ ইয়াতে চোৱা A আৰু C যদি পইণ্ট লওঁ in case of AC what is x1 is this one and y1 is this that means in case of AC x1 is 1 y1 is 2 and x2 is x y2 is 6 so just আমি ইয়াতে ভ্যালুটো পুট কৰি দিম in case of যেহেতু ইয়াত AC আছে তো ভ্যালু কি হ'ব x1 এর ঠাইত আমি 1 পুট কৰিম আৰু x2 ঠাইত x divided by 2 আছে আৰু y1 এর ঠাইত কি পুট কৰিম 2 পুট কৰিম প্লাস আছে প্লাস আৰু y2 ঠাইত কি পুট কৰিম 6 পুট কৰিম মন কৰিবা in case of AC this one okay and in case of BD ৰ কাৰণে সিমিলাৰলি চাই লোৱা BD ক'ত আছে B আৰু D তো B ৰ কাৰণে x1 কি হয় 4 y1 y x2 3 y2 5 হয়নে y2 5 সো এইগিটা ভ্যালু এতিয়া আমি ইয়াত পুট কৰি দিম BD ৰ কাৰণে x1 কি হয় 4 x2 3 divided by 2 y1 y y2 5 divided by 2 okay এটো হৈ গ'ল এতিয়া কি কৰিম এটো হল AC কোঅৰ্ডিনেট AC ৰ কাৰণে ওৰ কোঅৰ্ডিনেট এটো BD ৰ কাৰণে ওৰ কোঅৰ্ডিনেট হয়নে ও পইণ্টৰ কোঅৰ্ডিনেট মানে সো ইয়াতে কি আছে এটো হৈছে x this one x coordinate and this one also x and this one y and this one y so আমি x equal to x লিখিব পাৰিম this one equal to this one obviously যেহেতু এটো x and এটো y so this one equals to this one so again we can write 1 plus x by 2 equals to 4 plus 2 how much 7 obviously 7 by 2 so 2 to cancel hole ki hobo 1 plus x equals to 7 then after x equals to 7 minus 1 equals to 6 so x or value ame 6 pai galo similarly ki likhibo parim 2 plus 6 how much 8 and 2 ase tolot 8 by 2 equals to y plus 5 by 2 then 2 to cancel after what remain 8 y plus 5 therefore y equals to what 8 minus 5 equals to 3 so ami x er value 6 palo y er value 3 palo therefore the required answer solution is x equals to 6 y equals to 3 so that is the answer of question number 7 so what is the question here find the coordinates of a point A where AB is the diameter of a circle so AB to ki ase a circle is given where AB is the diameter whose center is 2 center is that means the coordinate of the center is 2 minus 3 and B is 1 4 so we have to find the coordinates of the point A so yate eta midpoint it means midpoint obviously midpoint is center to oda midpoint hoy so midpoint dia ase as well as diameter eta point dia ase pointer coordinate dia ase ami eta pointer coordinate uliaba lage okay so yate ki hobo suppose this one is circle where this is the center and suppose O is the center and the coordinate of the center is 2 minus 3 and the diameter obviously like this suppose AB is the diameter where the coordinate of B is 1 4 so ami ki koriba lage yare coordinate liaba lage suppose the coordinate of A is x y okay given a center, a circle, given a circle with center O 2, -3, AB is the diameter, where B 1, 4 and B equal to 1, 4. Let Ax, y be the coordinate of A. Let x, y be the coordinate of A. We know the center divides a line that divides the diameter in equal parts. That means obviously this one OA is radius and OB is radius of the circle. So ami ki jano? All the radius are in equal length. That means OA equals to OB. If OA is 1, then OB also 1. That means the O point here, the center plays as a midpoint in the diameter. So at the diameter, center to ki hoy, at a midpoint hoy. So again we have to apply the midpoint term here. Here, O is the midpoint of AB. Therefore, by midpoint theorem, 2, -3 equals to 1 over my midpoint. This one equals to x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So it is midpoint term. Our midpoint term coordinate kiman 2, -3. Right now, it coordinate hoy, it equal to hoy. So 2, -3 equals to x1. What is the x1 here? Obviously x. x1 ki hoy? X or y, 1 or 4. So x1 is x and x2 is 1, y1 is y and y2 is 4. So, okay, plus 1 by 2, y1 is y plus y2 is 4 by 2. Okay. Now, a2 x or value. Similarly, this one also x and this one y and this one also y. Now, 2 equals to, we can write here 2 equals to x plus 1 by 2. So we can write like this. 2 to the 4 equals to x plus 1. Therefore, x equals to how much? 4 minus 1 equals to 3. Similarly, -3 equals to y plus 4 by 2. After cross multiplication, we get 3, 2 is a -6 and y plus 4. Therefore, y equals to what? -6 and 4 comes here. What? Here plus 4 and after coming there, it becomes -4. So -6 -4 how much? -10. So, we get x equals to 3 and y equals to -10. Therefore, the coordinates of A is 3, -10. So, I to pai coordinates to pai. So, 7 to yate finish hoy gase. Question number: if A and B are these two coordinates of A and B respectively, find the coordinates of P such that a condition is given there. The condition is this one: AP equals to 3 by 7 of AB and P lies on the line segment AB. That means we have to find the coordinates of P and the two endpoint given, that is A and B is given here. We have to find the coordinates of P. Suppose this is a line AB where the A coordinate is 2, -2 and B is 2 comma minus 4. Is it? And a point of intersection, this one P, where coordinate of P is x comma y. So we have to find the coordinate of this P. And we don't know what is the ratio of these two. And it one is the coordinates divides the line in equal parts. It will question. So yet at a condition, this is a condition to a very important question. This is a very important question. So condition to এনেকুৱা টাইপৰ দিছে যে AB equals to 3/7 of AB. So ইয়াৰ পৰা আমি ৰেশিওটো ফাইন্ড আউট কৰিম, বাট ৰেশিও কোনো দিয়া নাই। সো ইয়াৰ পৰা ফাৰ্স্ট আমি ৰেশিওটো ফাইন্ড আউট কৰিম, ঠিক আছে? Okay, so solution given A 2 comma minus 2 and B 2 comma minus 4 be the coordinates of line segment AB and P x comma y be the point of intersection, be the point of intersection, be the point of intersection. Okay, so according to question given, AP equals to 3/7 of AB. So AP equals to 3/7. Now look here, AB, in place of AB we can write, so AB equals to what? AP plus PB. So how we can get AB? After combining AP and PB we get AP. That means in place of AB we can write AP plus PB. So just write here AP plus PB in place of AB. So AP then multiplies 3/7 with AP and 3/7 with PB. 3/7 of AP, then plus is here, plus 3/7 of PB. Just multiply with this two line segment. Then after this, AP and AP here. So AP jot ase tan AP to loi aha. Take AP 3/7 of AP here. So this one plus, after coming towards here, then it becomes negative. Minus 3/7 of AP equals to, and what remain here? 3/7 of PB. Then after this, AP by 1, this like AP by 1 and 3/7 of AP. That means what is the ratio, LCM of these two terms? What is the LCM of this one? Obviously 7. So taking 7 as LCM and AP is here, only 1 is here. Suppose 1 into 7 equals to what? 7 obviously. So just LCM was, suppose AP to x lo, AB to x lo. So আমি যদি x minus 3/7 of x কৰো কি কৰো? যেনেকৈ কৰো তেনেকা ধৰণৰ. Okay, so that means 7 to x ললো LCM. So 7 AP minus ইয়াত কি হ'ব? Already 7 আছে, so ইয়াত কি হ'ব? Thrice of AP. Then after that, thrice of 7 of PB. So after this, 3 AP minus 7 AP minus 3 AP. How much? Read me. 7 minus 3 equals to 4, and AP is here, so AP 7 equals to 3/7 of PB. Again 7 7 in the both right hand side and left hand side. Then we can cut these two, because we can cut these two obviously. Then 4 AP equals to 3 of PB. Okay, 7 7 cut কৰিব পাৰো কিয়? যেহেতু ইয়াতো তলত 7 আছে, তলত 7 আছে, এটা যদি ওপৰত 7 এটা তলত 7 হোৱাতে আমি কাট কৰিব নোৱাৰো, বাট যেহেতু দুইটা তলত আছে, so we can cut this two. Okay, বা দুইটা ওপৰত থাকিলে আমি কাট কৰিব পাৰিম। So আমাক এতিয়া কি কৰিবা, তোমালোকে AP by PB কৰিব চাবা। AP by PB to ইয়াত আহিলে 0 this one as a multiplication here, 3 into multiply of a PB. When it comes here, then it becomes divided AP by PB, and 3 obviously here, and when 4 go there, then it is divided. So 3 by 4. That means AP is to, this is the ratio, so AP is to PB equals to what? 3 is to 4. So what is AP here? AP is this part and PB is this part. So AP is PB in the ratio 3 is to 4. So we get the ratio at this one M1, this one M2. So we get M1 equals to 3, M2 equals to 4. Okay. Here M1 equals to 3, M2 equals to 4 from line segment AB, x1 equals to -2, x2 equals to 2, y1 is -2 and y2 is -4. So A আৰু B coordinate পৰা x1 x2 পাই গলো আৰু m1 m2 just আমি find out কৰিলো. Then after this is put the value in the section formula. Now what is the section formula? By section formula, the coordinate of px comma y equals to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Then after this is put the value of all these variables. Put the value. M1 is 3, M2 is 4, M1 is 3, X2 is how much? Obviously 2, M2 is 4 and X1 is -2. Then M1 is 3, M2 is 4, M1 is 3, Y2 is how much? -4 plus 4, Y1 is -2. Then after this, simplify it. 3 plus 4 is 7. 3 into 2 is 6. Plus minus -8, comma 7 minus 12 plus a minus 3 4 is 12 plus into minus 4 2 is 8. Then after this 6 minus 8 is -2, 7, so minus 20 by 7. Is it? Therefore the coordinates of P is -2 by 7 and -20 by 7. This is the answer of question number 8. Okay. Next question number 9. Find the coordinates of the points which divides the line segment joining these two. Suppose AB is a line segment and AB divides into 4 equal parts. We have to find the coordinates of the point of intersection of AB. That means suppose AB is a line, okay, where AB divides into 4 equal parts. So suppose PA took AB divide correct, again Q divides AB, again 1R also divides AB. Suppose this one B, okay, up to this one. So here we can see that there are 4 equal parts. It means this one 1 2 3 4. There are 4 parts in AB lines. Is it? So this one P Q R. So we can see that here 1 parts, 2 parts, 3 parts and 4 parts. And all the 4 parts are in equal length. That means if this one 1, obviously this one also 1, this one also 1, this part also 1. That means the 4 parts are divided into equal parts. So এটা তোমালোকে নিজে কৰিবা. It is your homework. বহুত দিন হ'ল তোমালোকক homework দিয়া নাই. So this is your homework. So we have to find the coordinates of P, Q, R separately. Okay. First suppose x1, y1, this one suppose x2, y2, this one suppose x3, y3. So we have to find the coordinates of P, coordinates of Q, coordinates of R. So now the coordinates of A is 2, 2, coordinates of B is 2, 8. And what is the ratio for the in case of P? Suppose look here, okay? Eto tumalokor koribologiya bostu de moi eto dihe disu. Suppose in case of P, this one be here minus 2, 2 and 2, 8 and x1, y1, is it? So up to AP this one 1. So look this picture, AP this one 1 and what is PB here? This one PB. So PB leke kiman ase? Here leke 1 plus 1 plus 1. That means a tinta part ase na. So tinta part cross kora pisot ame B pam. Hane PB tinta part ase ki this one, this one, this one. So that means PB kiman parts to kiman hobo. Ye to jodi 1 hoy PB kiman hobo 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3. Okay. If AP is 1, then PB is 3. So what is the ratio here in case of P? To find out the coordinates of P, there are x1, y1 this one, x2, y2 this one, and m1 is 1 here, m2 is 3. So eto P karone koriba. Next again for Q. Again for Q. So separately tinta point uliyaba lagibo. Again for Q, suppose this one AB and P is here. Q is here. Q is in the middle portion. Okay. So there is one point and there is another point here. Is it? So here is one. Q to put us here. So Q power like Q power like AQ. Again B like a QB. So here you can see AQ and QB. The ratio, the Q divides AB in two ratio. This is AQ and QB. The parts of the AB in case of the points Q is what? AQ and QB. So AQ leke keta parts ase? 1 to 2 parts ase nai? So AQ leke AQ pabor karone ami ki pabo lagibo? AP pabo lagibo, PQ pabo lagibo. It means AQ ki ase 1 and AP is 1. So AQ equals to ki hoy? AP plus PQ. So AP 1, PQ is also 1. So AQ ami kiman pam? 2, that is 1 plus 1, 2. Similarly, you can see also QB 1 plus 1, 2. So again this one x2, y2. So here A coordinate same, B coordinate same, and this one m1, this one m2. So similarly, find out the ratio of coordinates of Q. Again for the coordinates of R to put a same manner. So here at a point ase, here at a P point ase, right? So here Kutigida key point is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So AR and RB. R divides AB into two parts. This is AR and RB. So AR like kiman ase keta part ase 1, 2, 3. So up to AR you can see how many parts are here? 1, 2, 3. Is it? So AR kiman hobo 3 hobo aru RB kiman ase 1. Is it? So the ratio, that means R divides AB into the ratio 3 is to 1. So M1 is here, M1 equals to 3, M2 is 1, and the coordinate of R is x3, y3. And A and B so but same hoy. So take in first row to P karone tumaloke loba. In case of P, the ratio is 1 is to 3. In case of P, the ratio is 2 is to 2. In case of R, the ratio is 3 is to 1. And এটা মন কৰিবা এটো কোৱেশ্চন বহুত ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট এটো কোৱেশ্চন সেম এজ কোৱেশ্চন নম্বৰ 2 এই কোৱেশ্চনটো কোৱেশ্চন নম্বৰ 2 নিচিনা সেম হয় আৰু এটা মন কৰিবা যে যেতিয়া জিমান পাৰ্টস দিয়া থাকিব ইয়াতে 4 ইকুৱেল পাৰ্টস ডিভাইড কৰিছে হয় নাই সো তেতিয়া m1 আৰু m2 প্লাস কৰিলে সদায় 4 পাবা জিমানটা পাৰ্টস ডিভাইড কৰে হিমানটাই পাবা ইয়াত 4 ইকুৱেল পাৰ্টসত কৰিছে এখানে m1 আৰু m2 প্লাস কৰিলে সো 1 plus 3 কৰিলে 4 পাম 2 plus 2 কৰিলে 4 পাম 3 plus 1 কৰিলে 4 পাম হয়নে সো সাবা ৰেশিও গিটা তোমালোকে জুনটো উলিয়াবা দুইটা প্লাস কৰিলে জিমান ইকুৱেল পাৰ্টস হয় হিতে পাবা ওকে সো এটো তোমালোকৰ হোমৱৰ্ক কৰিবা Question number 10 is also your homework. This one only apply distance formula. Here only apply distance formula. This is we have done in the exercise 7.1. So here given rhombus. Suppose this one is rhombus A, B, C, D, where the coordinates of A is 3, 0, B is 4, 5, C is 1, -1, 4, and D is -2, -1. The coordinate of the ABCD is given. So we have to find the area of the rhombus. This is area. So, what is the area of the rhombus? Area of ABCD. That means area of rhombus is what? Half of product of the diagonal. That means what is the diagonal here? AC. And BD is the diagonal of this rhombus. So half of AC into BD. So this is the area of the rhombus. So here can I find out AC find out BD find out. So AC, in case of AC, so find the distance of AC. AC I distance with applying the distance formula. That is what is the distance formula? X2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So AC uliai loba, the coordinate AC dia ase. Similarly BD uliai loba, eke formula apply kori pale aru jontu value poa yat put koriba, answer oda jaba. So this is also your homework.